Come here. There you go. Sit. Good boy. Stay. 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 Okay, go. Good morning, everybody, and good morning to you. I have my coffee. I put some orders out already. I'm gonna go drop them off at USPS soon. I want to show you guys what I'm wearing today on this spring day in the winter in February. I'm wearing this v-neck. It's all messed up. I really don't care. I don't really care how I look sometimes, like today. I'm also wearing my Zara jeans. I got them for $15 a couple of years ago, maybe 2 years ago, and I always wear it when it's spring because it exposes the ankles. And then my favorite part of this outfit, I'm not wearing my Nike Prestos like I always do. I'm actually wearing my new favorite sneakers, and these are from Adidas.
I got this need for you, forming in my beating heart. I knew the meaning right away. Only yesterday we're worlds apart. I got this name for you. If you come closer, I can whisper.
I'm in the car now. I look like such a hot mess. Like I said, I've been running around since like 7-something in the morning. So I'm gonna go back and pick up my mom from this appointment she had. But since I'm warming up the car, even though it's not cold, I just want to show you guys real quick how these taste. So I saw it from Melissa Flores here on YouTube. Oh god. I'm like, all right, I'm gonna try it. It's a little taste test with you guys. Yes. I'm usually not the biggest fan of corn tortillas that much, but this one tastes really good, and I love how strong the lime is because I kind of prefer more of the lime than the chili. This one's good. All right. You guys hear that? I'm for sure gonna be snacking on these while I drive. I'm gonna put them right here so I can easily reach it. And I'm gonna get to driving now and just eat more. Oops.
You want another pancake?
I have to hand right now. Otro, mira, otro
Si quieres sentar ahí, mami, ella lo puede poner ahí.
No, tienen como que
Tiene que
yo hago
aprender.
la cosa. Mira, así mío,
I like the
si tú
bread.
supieras que yo
Cómetelo así, vive.
me cuesta la gana.
Ooh. Hi guys, good morning. Today is a beautiful day, kind of cold, gloomy, but I still think it's real pretty. I just washed my hair and I have a t-shirt because my sister told me to prevent frizz and stuff like that. It's good to use like a t-shirt instead of a towel. Gonna make my bed, and then I'm gonna show you guys what I use on my hair to keep it curly but not crunchy, because I don't like the crunchy feeling. Let's get to it. All done. Brought you guys to the bathroom. I just showered like 5 minutes ago. I'll let this absorb the water from my hair, and then I have both this comb, and then I use the Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner by Shea Moisture. This one right here. My sister actually gave it to me, and she told me to part it in like small sections, but I've gotten so lazy that I just do it in like 3 or 4 sections. I make sure my hair is a little bit damp still, not completely dry. And I'll take this much, take a bit on my hand, comb through. And then go ahead and just comb it with my comb, also just to make sure that there's no knots. And then I start just scrunching it a little bit. I swear, for my hair, I never really pay too much attention to my hair. And I kind of still don't. Like after the second day, and I should refresh my hair or something because my curls get loose and my hair gets straighter. But I don't, to be honest. I get real lazy with my hair. So now I'm move on to the second part. I'm just gonna repeat that and then show you guys what I do next.
So far gone, we take it out of space. Don't know where we come from, human race. Purple haze. Fell in love with your silhouette. I know you like to show it off on the internet. Put a ring next to where your middle finger set. Got you traded for some drinks and a cigarette.
That's it. Now I'm just gonna put my hair down and scrunch it all together. Sorry for the background noise, my grandma's washing the dishes. But this is also something my sister gave me. This is the Revlon hair dryer, and it brings a diffuser and also brings the other regular hair dryer, like mouth thing. And this is the one that I use to kind of dry my hair a little bit more and also add some bounce and curls to my hair. So this is gonna make a lot of noise, so I'm just gonna, again, fast forward.
So sweet. I know you like the taste, but we gon' turn it up and don't stop. Feel so sweet. Never feel so sweet. Never feel so sweet.
And that is my lazy curly hair mini tutorial, I guess. Just what I do. It's very simple. I probably should go more in depth. Probably try out different products to see which one works the best for my hair. But again, I'm very lazy with my hair, and this just tends to work for me at least for 1 to 3 days until my hair starts kind of just losing its pattern and getting straighter. But yeah. So I just took Mako out, and he eats so fast that we came to the conclusion that's why sometimes he ends up vomiting, because he doesn't have an upset stomach or vomit every single time he has food. It's when he eats really fast because there's not enough saliva to kind of, I don't know, Tommy says something about it and I don't really understand it. But what we done, my little cousin actually told me to take the food and slowly put it in the bowl. So I'll do like 5 different servings of, like, I'll just pour some at a time, let him eat it, and then what I do is that I take one of these, put it in the water so that he gets some moisture in his mouth, and to make sure he drinks water in between each of the 5 servings of bites. So let's try this. I'll show you guys what I mean. Stay. Stay. I just put the food. Put very little, as you guys see, at a time. Okay. Okay! And then what I do, as he finished that, I put one of them in the water to make sure that he's gonna drink that after. I guess it's kind of a good tip if your dog or puppy eats really fast, because he will finish all his food, like the entire cup of food, in less than 30 seconds. That's how fast he eats. And it's like, damn boy, I feed you. Why are you acting like I never fed you before? But just give him little by little some food. Let some saliva coat his mouth before giving him the next serving. Make him wait, give him some water, and just repeat it. It takes longer for sure, but he has a problem and he's vomited like twice, so I guess so far it's been working, so it's a good tip in my opinion. So this is the shirt, and when I tried it on, this happened. So I'm thinking that this kind of material is actually gonna just rip apart later on, because this is actually just super affordable, like $14. My mom made me try this on, and it's like a long blazer, and I think it looks really nice. See if you guys, I'm gonna go step outside so you guys can see better. This is how the vest looks. I think it's pretty cute. Now I'm gonna try these pants. These are from Lucky Brand, and I hope they fit me because this is size 2 and I don't remember what size jeans I am. But I really like the bottom of these pants, and that's why I was drawn to these immediately. They're the Bridget Skinny, and they're only 40 compared to 68, sorry. This is how the pants look like. This is how the pants look. They're really nicely fitted. They're too fitted, which I'm kind of worried about. I hope they expand because I really want them. And as you guys can see down here, looks so real nice. I like it. And the wash is like the kind of wash that I really like. So I'm gonna ask my mom what she thinks like. The high-waisted is not too high-waisted either. But originally I wanted to wear with this shirt, and I don't know how I feel about it because it ripped. ¿Qué tú piensas?
Oh my God, bello.
¿Te gustan?
Muy, y son altos eso.
Sí, pero no demasiado alto, como que está incómodo.
No, está lindo. No, está alto, porque también los otros son
Ajá.
bajitos.
Este saido me queda un poquito, yo creo, muy ajustado, pero se ancha. Me gusta la parte de abajo.
Qué lindo está.
¿Verdad? Y se ve bien con la blusa, pero está roto y como si se rompió tan fácil como así.
No, porque esa se rompió, pero pon un size más grande.
No sé.
Usa la mía blanca.
Uno tiene mucha ropa blanca, eso no importa. Esto se ve bien con cualquier cosa. What do you guys think about this shirt? I don't know about it. I'm thinking I'm gonna leave it, and then depending if I miss it or I want it, I'll come back. But let me know down below what you guys think about this shirt. It's really cute. It's like one of those ones that are in style, the ones with the nice buttons. But if I'm not 100% sure, I never get things.